Hey guys, back in the shop. I got a quick tip for today. I had a customer drop off a big piece of wood that he wanted to use for his handle. So I'm going to show you the piece of wood and talk through about how to select the piece of wood inside that big hunk that you really want to get the most out of that piece of wood. Alright, so this is the big hunk of wood the customer dropped off to me. As you can see, you've got one limb coming out here and then two up here. I don't know if this was the main trunk of the tree or what, but so if you're looking for nice long straight grain pieces of wood, if you were making like an axe handle or a hammer handle or something like that, this is what you want right here. You got nice straight grain running down through it. That's the kind of stuff you're looking for. You would really want it further up in the tree where you get even more straight grain, but in a knife handle, I'm not looking for straight grain wood. I'm looking for stuff that has a little bit of figure to it, that's going to be an interesting handle. So what I'm going to be cutting out of this is the crotch right here. I've taken the bark off, and you can see these swirling patterns in here where these two limbs are intersecting. That's where the grain of the wood has twisted and turned, and that's going to give you a really interesting piece of wood once it's finished. So those little swirls in there, that's going to look fantastic. So I'm going to slice out a big hunk right here in the middle, cut up a few pieces for handles, dry them, stabilize them, and get them on the knives. So if you're out there in the woods and you're looking for a piece of wood, look for something like that, or look for a burl. That's what's going to give you the really cool handles. Alright, so that stump that we were cutting out, this is some of the wood right around that really curly area of the crotch of that tree. Surprisingly, it's got a lot of spalting in it, which I did not notice until we cut it up. But to show you, use that to go ahead and put on the handles that the customer ordered. See if I can get this just right. You can see the grain in here is not straight. It swirls around and goes in different directions. It's almost like a burl, but it's a piece of crotch. And that was the piece of wood that we were looking for inside that trunk of that tree to get us something interesting to look at on the handle other than just nice straight grain wood. To me, it makes the handle more interesting and just, a beautiful piece. So this one is done. Thanks for watching.